Hey everybody, my name is Dereck Stinson with Iris Recruiting, and I have an exciting new opportunity available in the work truck arena. Are you a mechanical design engineer looking for an opportunity to use your creativity and customer interaction skills and have the ability to have product ownership and be part of something big? In this role, as a product engineer, you'll be responsible for improving and building on an existing product line that has seen a lot of success. You'll have full ownership over the line and will be responsible for talking with current clients and researching the competition to find out what the market is demanding. Did I mention it's a really cool work truck you'll be working on? This is a third generation family owned company who is an industry leader in Northern Illinois. The owner, great guy. He's a visionary and always looking for ways to improve and to be the best. Their dedication and loyalty to their employees is a major factor to their past success and will ultimately pave the way for their continued growth and expansion in the future. This company needs you. If you are creative, take pride in the product ownership, and want to be part of something grander, this is a good fit for you. If you or someone you know meets this criteria, please reach out to me at the following information. Thank you. I look forward to talking with you.